Welcome back, my friends. Welcome to another section. This section we will talk about how we can compile assets with Laravel Mix, how we can design our application, and it will be super important for you. If you haven't done this in the previous section, you can use this section as something as like a learning guide, how you can compile assets using Laravel Mix. Now, next part that I want to explain is that you can skip this part. You can download the project. You can do whatever you want. The thing is that I'm gonna start a little bit faster with this one. Not gonna go into many details like my previous projects. So I'm just gonna code it more like with more speed than my previous, because I don't want to bore you too much. But in the same time, it's not gonna be waste of time for you, because you're gonna learn interesting things. And designing, it's not bad for any developer out there. Now, as that being said, I want to start with opening the CMD. Navigate where your folder directories where you save the folder. So here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just install Laravel, and we're gonna install Laravel like a previous project. So I'm gonna say Composer, and let's just zoom in a little bit, right? Composer, and we can use create. So we are doing this installation via Composer create project. So create project, and let's say prefer dist, and after that, let's say Laravel. We need to use that /Laravel, and we need to make the name of our project. So I'm gonna call it Premium. Premium, and here in my previous section, I remember I told you that you can use my version, like you know how to install the my version, because you want to follow me with my version. After that, you can update it to the latest version. So that is the point, because I might not update that one still when you're watching this one. So it's a good idea. If I haven't updated the course, you don't have to worry about it. Now, I'm just gonna click this one, and I'm gonna wait, and I'm gonna pause it, and after that, I'm just gonna continue explaining what would happen, right? Okay, now this is done. So you can see everything is installed, the packages are being discovered, this has been installed, and a lot of dependencies and packages been updated and installed. So that's pretty much it. Now, I'm gonna show you the version that I'm using. So PHP, oh, actually I need to go see the premium, right? If you go now here in XAMPP, or the where you store your folders, so it's their premium. That's the packet. That's the folder that we installed just right now. I mean, that's our Laravel project that we installed just right now. So I'm inside here, so I can use PHP Artisan, right? And if you don't see this, just restart. Go to the path. I mean your path, and you type PHP Artisan, and you should see all of these available commands. Now, this is done. So I'm gonna say PHP Artisan -- version. And I'm using this version. So, for example, if you want to use it here, you can say, let me just explain you one more thing. So I'm here in version 5.8, and this is how they install it. But I think you're gonna have problem if you try installing 6.17.1, right? But what I suggest is always to install like this, and it will install the latest one, because this one, it's being updated every month, I think so. Another version, another like number here, and things like that. Now, you want to install my version in order to follow me with this course, if you can. Otherwise, you need to install the current version you have. Maybe it will be 7, and some of the things might be changed. Now, open your text editor, file, open folder, and go to the premium. Very good. Now, one more thing that I told you last time is you can use this. PHP Artisan Serve. So what we'll do, it will start a local development server for you. So you can copy this one, and you can navigate here. Now, I don't want to use this, but you can use. If you don't want to use mine way, start using this one. But be mindful. Sometimes you change things in your application, and you need to restart your server, right? You need to restart because you're not going to be able to see the changes here. Especially when you update the env.env folder, the drivers, whatever, the database connection, the name, and stuff like that. So that's why I don't want to use it, because sometimes even I struggle to find the mistake and I forgot to do the updation of I forgot to start. So how you can start? Control C, I think so. Just wait, Control C, and it's not working right now, right? Okay, here it is, Control C. It took time. So now again you need to do PHP artisan serve, and it will give you the same one. Now I don't want to use that, so Control C, Command C, it will kill this process. Very good. Now what I want to do is I need to open the notepad. As an administrator, if you're already an administrator on your machine, you don't worry about this part. So I just want to open what? This pad, mine. I just want to go to the system32 drivers etc, and here I just want to check all files, and I want to host. I want to create a host for my project. I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit. Now if I'm not an admin, sorry, I would not be able to do this. Now I'm just gonna call it premium.com. Just gonna save it. So C, Control S, or save. It will allow me to save. If you're not admin, you will not be allowed for this. So I have this one. So I had to change one other thing. File, open folder. I need to go to XAMPP, Apache. I need to go to the config. I need to go to the extra. I need to select this folder first. And what's in the extra? Let's see what's in the extra. We need to find this VH hosts, right? And we need to copy this virtual host here and paste it. Now, we need to go to the, this is the document root path. So C, XAMPP, htdocs, dev. So mine, I need to say premium. So this is my folder. I want you to go there, premium. And I want you to access this public folder. So premium in public folder. And here the server name will be same, premium.com. So I'm gonna save this one, and I don't need this part anymore. So, but yeah, I'm just gonna refresh now. This should not work, right? So the reason why I'm doing is because if I go to localhost, premium. So here is what I see, and this is not good. This is very vulnerable to attacks. So you don't want to see this one. That's why we're creating this virtual host here, and that's why we changed the driver, right? So we changed the notepad driver system32 and stuff like that. Now, this should be the name of your folder, and it should go to the public. Now, I need to save this, and I'm gonna open the folder again. So I'm just gonna go to XAMPP. Where's the htdoc? Oops, not FileZilla actually. htdocs, premium, so I can see all of my things inside. Very good. Now I have this my premium Laravel application is working. So one more thing that you need to do is you need to go to XAMPP control panel, this one, right? Or it's gonna be here, somewhere here. So let's see what's happening. I'm just gonna close this part. I have a lot of things open, right? Now, here it is. Now we need to stop the services for Apache and MySQL. We can quit it if we want. So we can start it XAMPP again. Control panel, very good. Now start it again. Actually, yeah, you start it again. So I think now you should be able to go to premium.com. Here we go. So we are in premium.com and we have our application. We don't see this the folder structure anymore. So that's pretty much for this lecture. We installed our application. So the line was this. Come on, where we go? Oh, too much. So create project, prefer this, Laravel, and here the name of your project that for mine will be premium. You can call it whatever you want. In here you can put my version, and the version that I used was at the moment is 16.6.17.1. Now one more thing, we changed the VH host from here. Go back to the video, and also what we have done, you need to navigate, you need to open notepad, right click, run as administrator if you're not already, and you need to file open what? Open this path, etc, all files, and change this host. So if I open up now, I do have the premium. Very good. That's pretty much it. And for from the next lecture, you know how we are doing this. We're gonna go step by step, but I'm gonna be a little bit more quicker. So next time I will explain you about compiling assets using Laravel Mix. So that will be for the next lecture. I hope you enjoyed this one. Stay safe and see you in the next one. Bye.